Hey guys, this is Lauren from Liberty Autoworx. I'm just going to show you guys how to use wet coat. And so this process begins after you've already washed the car, you've rinsed off all the soap. You're just going to go ahead and spray it on all of the surfaces. Glass, paint protection film, anywhere you want. And then once you've done that, just spray it off. You can do this in sections of the car or the car as a whole. Then you can see that it beads off instantly. This is a temporary sealant. It does not replace wax or ceramic coating. It will wash off with soap, so we recommend doing it every single time you wash your vehicle. Then the best practice would be to dry it off with a proper drying cloth. Of course, we recommend the Gyeon Silk Dryer Evo, and not aggravating anything in case there is still some dirt particles on there for whatever reason, and just gently wiping all of that water off. You can pick these up online, or if you want to stop into our shop and visit, we have them all in stock here. Thanks so much. Have a great day.